Now we're going to be looking at a piece called the flat dance, where we're going to be looking at flats on the piano and exploring them a little bit more. So flats are similar to sharps, but instead of half a step higher, flats are half a step lower. Okay, so half a step lower than a note is a flat, okay, or a semitone lower. So let's look at the piano to help us. Right, so here's D, so this would be D flat. Here's E, so this would be E flat. Here's G, so half a step lower is G flat, A flat. Does that make sense? B, B flat. Now flats can also be white keys. For example, F flat is an E. C flat, because there's nothing there, that would be a C flat. Okay, now there's two names for each black key, you may have noticed. So this is a D flat and it's also a C sharp. This is a E flat, it's also a D sharp. Yeah, so they have two names. This is F sharp and it's also G flat. This one is G sharp and it's also an A flat. Okay, so it all depends on the piece that you're playing. Now, I'm going to show you how to play the flat dance, and then we're going to practice and play with the rhythm. Ready? Let's play. Right, it's time to practice. Let's get used to those flats. Ready? Let's play. Ready to play with the rhythm? Listen. Ready? Let's play. You did it! Well done! Do you feel like you know your flats really well, or would you like to try it one more time?